My mommy and my papa salute to my brother and sister salute now. But don't bless don't come you change idea, my people. I salute now, my petit friend and salute. I come you change idea. Me I salute all of you. Happy Christmas in advance. At least happy Christmas in advance for all my people, all my brother. Courage for the resistance. Anything will come to pass. At least what did happen for you today, it educated you a lot of things. You will be a man through difficulties. Assalamu alaikum, my papa then. Assalamu my brother. Petit frère, assalamu alaikum. Me first assalamu alaikum, tell you who I am. Mommy and papa, I am one of them. This sign, all wanna know this sign. I can't show you, say I'm one of them. I know what I'm talking about. Man, what I'm talking about, I don't pay taxes for now for more than 37 years. I pay taxes right now as I'm talking. Don't I get right to give my opinion. I get to have a talk to you that happened to my people. Petit frère, I also continue for big one petit. Yes, when I take money, kidnap people take money for when I compound, they give you a position. They call a boy, junior, give you respect because they bring money back home. But petit frère, when I see the better when I petit. The better meaning when I inside wrapping paper, not inside covering petit. There is no priority for be proud to you don't keep person petit. Petit, I want to talk about something that happened for upstation. The bomb we holler for upstation petit. Many people not begin commit crime petit when I can't take folk or I say na una. They take la shit for nothing. When I show can gun petit, but I bomb they destroy people today. Don't that when I gun on I show I for kidnap when I cousin when I brother. Petit put that gun down. Ask for forgiveness. The whole world metamorphose. You know if you do get power past the world. Yes, that's what happened for the whole world. They beg when I mean destroy when I save. When I the key now when I save. Nobody see the key some man. When I look the army when I kill them petit frère, how old they are? 20-year, 18-year army you go kill them. How old are you? And they ground there for part of the smoke cigarette, the same go commit problem. You gun, you machine. You go take money can't get them for ground, you die and bury like foul petit. Petit frère use your brain. I know, I don't make videos say when I start using my heart for thing. When I use the heart for thing, when I use my love, when I get the love, petit frère. When I see the way they made and repeat the yaba, the way in Jakarta they be petit frère. When they kill when I see the way that when activists they come up for social media talk. But when even if man died, the video activity they come out celebrate. My people, when I see people when they wake up celebrate death, man died, they celebrate, they happy. You get for nothing a bastard picking. Any man know they will open when I ask it will happen for inside the Anglophone problem, it will happen for Cameroon. Some people die, some man they very happy, say person don't die. Say they don't die, he happy, same person don't die. They really celebrate death. You know, see my people. Now something in that way no man is saying because we carry all problem for our head, but we need to carry problem with it for our heart. Me say love, petit frère. When I put that gun down, petit frère for nowhere. My people, I come for this video for you that happen for now right now. Yeah, the thing don't over-worry me. I don't make plenty of this kind of video. But I come for just try to explain myself for the one. Do at least some few people if you understand. The reason Grand Blazo to come to talk every day. Or continue for talk, I know so one day when I go understand. Because it be really shameful for the whole region, the Northwest, where my and parents suffer say when I for school, educate when. But the best when I come back for school with a certificate, now for come punish my parents. When I see the way Anglophone and they for social media, they express themselves. They talk English speaking. I don't talk the video plenty. They talk propaganda where they know they talk about what happened for themselves and inside our community. But what I come for this time for talk, my people, that's what happen right now. Decentralization. That's what I can explain them now. Me Anglophone they really ask questions for themselves. Me when I ask questions, we didn't want to serve my people. My people, national conference, they will go home meeting. Say the wrong Anglophone and special status. The wrong Anglophone and decentralization made they start control their own control them. That's why we talk for national conference. A whole Bishop Kia, a man of God, come out talk for social media. Say the thing they work on in language, not in theories, not in practical. It then on paper. It there for social media. It there for document. Bishop Kia say it then on paper. You know, on action. But I remember something from Mr. Bishop Kia. But when I talk for social media, talk me see the way to go for public. When I do this before talk because we need to understand the way when I take and talk. Unify and say Northwest get Northwest delegation, Northwest regional whether they consider for money for national conference. Money for national conference be paid every year. Northwest regional committee to control that money every day. All we know the money we know as to control them. Why? Because Northwest region that election where they come up for the Northwest region assembly. Northwest get assembly where they control money for decentralization, really give that money for control Northwest. The way you told Mr. Beato, you say they turn on paper, you know, go for practice, but they pay the money every year. They pay the money, Mr. Kia Bishop, they pay the money every year. 2022, I make video, people then talk, they say, why didn't the contract to go on from 2020 to 2022? The early then come out, the mayor and talk about it. Say there is no security, they cannot involve money during war. Say they will start them for 2022. Minister then come for Bamenda when I said the contract will start for 2022. 2022 to now, they never start no contract. But I can't give them the message for my Anglophone intellectual, the one with wrong go school. Now 15 billion that way there is announced for Yaoundé. Announced for Bamenda North Regional Assembly. Where the man we don't see winner. Now Professor Angwa for the third. Professor Fu Angwa for the third. Now you don't see winner. My people, where are the intellectuals? Why are the Anglophones? Why would the wicked so Anglophone people don't go school? Why Bamenda man wicked with the proud? You don't hear say money for this year now 15 billions. Where they go see game for this year again. Don't for last year they never talk how they work that money. I don't post video where Northwest Regional Assembly they go make contract for 3-room house for zinc and put pen for 19 million. Now the money now for special states for decentralization. Now on national money for kick that. Now they don't give 15 billion for the one for this year. I never see, I don't sit down for long for a year what I want to go talk. No Anglophone no talk. No journalist no talk. No man no explain about the past and the present. The past is for the present. They don't do it for the past contract. Nothing at all. They don't go take 15 billion. If you 7th division figure 15 billion for decentralization money. Let's say all the 6th division take now 1 billion. You will see they make 8 billions. If you do a lot of contract. But in front of una Anglophone intellectuals, Anglophone school goers, barrister, lawyers, can title, una community on money na who the control them. All we know say una elite the all na CPDM. The Northwest Regional Assembly na CPDM. Now the very people tip una election for front una my people. Now the very people tip election for front everybody. When I say I talk smallly because I never read nothing will happen for me now. Nothing will feel I'm now as I'm talking. Yes. Now the very people tip on election. They think 2020 where they hold that meeting for national conference, they start pay that money every year. But now we are not digital. At least the truth don't start come on now. They don't hold meeting for front everybody. They don't appoint above 15 billions for 7th division. They don't go home meeting. The failures, the incompetent, now them see win. Where are the Anglophone? When I go live on a community problem, whether they pay money for our community, you not talk about your community go to vex for Paul Biya. Paul Biya when I call your name, he never pay the money for now. He never pay on our own national cake money. Paul Biya never pay on our own national cake for your money for now hand. Which contract for the year? Why they not complain say the last money they be pay all? If they don't pay because they don't pay all the money, or they'll be while I'm becoming talk society. Say government they pay the first installment, they delay for pay the second installment. And immediately they pay the money. Where is the money? I go now for 2020 after national conference till today. Where is the money where they pay every year for them? And when she don't for social media partner. Where that rope on her neck in her tie, foreign her dressing. I wear my honor for Kolo. All man know the way, but don't let the wear clothes for skin. I never follow different my style. Now I wear my papa come to me and he cap today for my head. I wear my papa, I told my papa come to me for now. Now I call on Anglophone people, Northwest people. Where are you people? Who the control in our community? Who the talk concern in our community? The budget there for table now above 15 billion 500 million francs for 7th division. Where is the Mbui? Where are the Nonga Mountain? Where are the Boyos? Where are the Ngokutuja? Where are the Menchum? Where are the Momo? Where are the Mezam people? Where are you people? When have money where they pay every year, they announce them for digital message. Say they don't pay the money for decentralization. That's the part for special states who want to be declined. That's the meaning of Manchu BBC marginalization. The whole national conference give una control for our own region. Every year they pay the money. They go put pen for school, put zinc for 3 classrooms, and then put una B for social media, 19 million. No money talk. Now the money that they pay every year. I don't see some document today. City mayor for Bamenda come on give a budget for 5 billion for a year. When I hear money where the man they take them. Where are the last contract? Where is the present contract? My people, when I go for my page, I take budget for Honorable Menchum for Menchum. I don't want to call that name because I don't wear my pie cap because I call that name so that they can't beat me spiritually. I like them because they can't give me a 45, they can't give me more powers again. Yes. I think when you attack the righteous man, you give him more power because I'm a righteous somebody. I'm not talking here to be paid. I'm talking what the 7th division has given to Baron Blaise. What when a 7th division be give me why be did it and come back for now. Because if you know something, she don't quiet. You wanna give me blessing, give me onguruki. When I see my skin, the temple of the Lord, blessed by no region. How many go appreciate you when I do one for me? I must can't tell you, I must can't talk to you my own opinion. My people. Now 15 billion more than 15 billion 500 million that would they give for 7th division. Also the one for 2020 day. 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 with the bill. So where is the budget where they do them? What was I day? The Northwest Regional Assembly session you worked on for 2 years today for preparatory campaign. We don't see winner. The Northwest, I'm going for the Mr. Fru, I'm going for the third. It's actually your project never made 1 year for social media. Why? Because we want preparatory campaign. Where is the budget for last year? Mr. Frundi wonder what it be Frundi campaign message. The national cake go for all Cameroonians. Mr. Frundi be the fact that say make all Cameroonians no say there for your country. You can for enjoy your tax money. Anglophone Bamenda. Why would I wicked for myself like that? Why would I protect the devils? Chiroma don't run so because Anglophone Bamenda. When I she done. Play where get 130 people, then go for the count 7,000 people. Get them for CPTM. When I want to talk, they arrest people, put them for prison. Arrest politicians. Is that a sovereign country? Is that a democracy country? That's monarchy. But the same with our money, through our elite. When this Anglophone issue is when Manchu BBC win the case file, they said the Francophone are marginalizing the Anglophone. That was the English. That's why Anglophone, they be there upside the city, they back on key people. Why? Because they say Francophone, the La Republique, they marginalize Anglophone. But today, through all man don't get telephone, now we get internet. All man don't know now, see what it. Now Anglophone, them where they stand for represent one. Now they marginalize one. When Anglophone, they marginalize Anglophone, not La Republique. I get some intellectual, at least I know some difficulties. A man from Ashon for Batibo, his name go come. Yes, he's a good journalist. He dey talk well, but he need to talk to you. It don't happen for your own village. He need to talk to you. It happen for your own village. Money where they give for develop your own village. You need to talk about because you know the people where they for front, but he dey for up the corner for Pobia. My people, I will talk for now go and if you call them for Pobia. He's the goodest president. Because all the contract is paid. Probably again now one problem, he don't all. Me and one major pass na pass for here. Now what coach is such my president. Probably an ex-president. According to the democracy, Pobia is ex-president. It's true, but there no be Pobia, he picture. Sorry, not Pobia, he picture. Not him. But I'm just surprised for see intellectual, graduate, people that are living abroad. Whether they for abroad, they work voluntary slavery. People there for America for 60 years, 70 years. Man pay pardon. Anglophone say they be Anglophone ambassador separation. Who dare when I say Cameroon fi separate? What let we say for na ear? But something be clear for good English. A bastard child filed for no good reason. Because in a bastard, you don't know say come out in the fight for no good reason because that's the way he bang. If you go bust now your uncle hate or your cousin. Because you don't know what say he come out. When the whole meeting for background key people, you keep back your own brother and sister. When I go school for doing what you need for Anglophone for go school? Where did they give you own budget every year? Let's forget about the money for decentralization. Where is the money for community development where they get every year for council? Where is the background money for community development where they get every year for council, may help farmers, help school? Where is the money? In people's pocket, where when I know all them. But what make me happy, what makes me feel happy, no matter the sick. I therefore I am malady, je suis malade, at the sick, please. But I don't go talk how the sick, the city problem, I see no going this how. I'm suffering too much. But I see what is happening. But I see other people for 60, 70 years, where they don't know their own problem. But they want to solve Cameroon problem. They cannot define their village through the money they are giving every year. Miss Ambia the which contract? We see this and doing Miss Ambia the I don't hear some document that say Cameroon the owe African Union 2 billion. Who be African Union? Philemon Young, a child from whom? For Oku. Picking for Oku. Now president for African Union. Picking for Oku. Cameroonian Anglophone Bamenda. That way the Isa Churuma come for Bamenda. Pa Philemon Young can talk to the give for Isa Churuma. President for African Union. Say Paul be a future for the youth. Not so Pa Philemon talk. But you know, help the whole Cameroon for pay that 2 billion for your own office. Usai na be leader, then block Cameroon for Usai Anglophone Cameroon and the world. My people, where are the intellectuals? My problem, talking today, the 15 billion above sending to Northwest region to decentralization. You were there for social media to talk. The share way to go for your village, you don't talk about. The one way to go for your community, are you aware of it? You dey talk about the money where they go for your own community. When are they down now, you can down when are they tonton in one place. How can you be complaining without knowing your problems? And you are intellectual, you are elite. Man will tip your election. Cause you for more problems. Come again for your front. Dance for you. See great election for control your budget. Who's that phobia there inside? Where is phobia inside? The money is paid, yes. The money is available, yes. But for who? For some few people. For some few people. Few incompetent people. With the governor where they participate for all meeting. But nothing no come for success. Nothing no come for success. A whole fund from Bambalang. Thank you, my prayer work. The wrong thing for Northwest Regional Fund. A man that stand in front for all discussion for Northwest, where he village not get peace. A fund who stand in front of all things in Northwest region, where your own village not get peace. And you are supporting President Paul Biya. A picture for that age. If he die, you go do Hana. You go do her for return back for your palace. How can you be supporting a person that cannot guard you? What did happen for my brother and sister for Northwest? What did happen? They take una money for una front. Now 5 billion that. City mayor don't come again, program 5 billion. Say one being light. You wanna hear project for region where get serious wahala. You want being light, bring water, bring security. Where all Okada na ye. Now your family they control petrol money for Northwest. Now family for city mayor poor. They control budget money for Northwest. The best sponsor of Ambazonia are the petrol seller. Nami Okanto. Nami Okante when I see one. Say people where they send the picking and make the kidnap, bring problem, make town chakala. Now the petrol seller. Nami go tell una. When I see the one put document for whom, from A to Z corruption, me na mission one for all man. I beg my petit frère them. You know they for snap my house. Snap my bank contact them for me. King Barrow is not a government. King Barrow is a politician. I'm fighting for the sake for the people. I'm not fighting for my sake. Though if you get something for talk, put them for your person and for outside. Yeah, when I don't say me the one for Menchum, I don't put them, but maybe my work that for the people that problem. You there for your village, talk, do the way go find your people. I pass you are a bastard. Because many of these people when they talk this thing, I don't go investigation, many are bastard. They don't know where they're coming from. Because I don't believe say you will come up for compound, video will go on Kege auntie. And then you see me in bargain. When they kill man, you're happy. No, they don't celebrate death. No, they don't laugh for mortuary. They don't laugh for burial. A painful situation there. Where all man see the way you take and go. And you celebrate and see people don't die. They don't keep picking them for 17 years, 18 years with the army. Are you celebrating 17 years, 18? My people, something don't come from my mind. Bomb where they keep them for army camp. My people, who saw when I don't hear, say terrorists enter army camp pour bomb come out. When I see it say, the bomb we holla for army camp the last days. Ali, if you open Anglophone people, their brain. If you make a move and say that bomb the way they keep them, even though they kill the army them, not them they kill the army them because they pay after accident. When bomb holla for Northwest, they must send a delegation for investigation with a suitcase. Billions for investigation. When agreement they take on our North region for make money, for the share innocent picking their blood. When agreement take on our own region, with our own community, with our own village, for the make experiments for get money. How can you be complaining about protecting the devils, the Lucifer in your community? You know the work we make your own work, failure, incompetent, parliamentary incompetent failures. And all of them are still controlling you. And you are calling Paul by your name. It's not a question. I'm just asking the question for myself. Now, Paul Biya for sending one of that money for decentralization. See, come again, take and work for una. Now, Paul Biya begin for sending one of that money, so see, come again, take the money. Hello, una for work with them. Now, Paul Biya begin for come again, take that very money, find person, keep a may work. For that decentralization for the General Assembly for Northwest Regional Division, who's that from the former side? Who's that on the different? No, 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 on cut on see the day. No, but parents then for that to control that money. You are not enough for the killer. You go call them for Paul Biya for picture. For picture. Don't you believe the man for 1 day if he do you work normal? You believe the man will get 1 day if she don't write document for country? Where about 6 minutes, 4 minutes I don't die, you never talk. 2 minutes I resign, you never replace her. We are expecting something from that people. But the good thing, my people, he has paid all the money. I have paid taxes from there for 37 years. I don't meet on there face to face for car. For Mr. I have a compound for Chakiri. We come out Chakiri to go bouncer. The first junction, car junction. I have for a compound. I meet on there for the less than 9 meters. My people, I'm a security. Mr. Mbia invite come them blame for presidency for 1991, 92. Nya officier Boromon. They invite me, they take gun one kill me. Now I don't go kumbo. I don't go na kumbo where they want kill me. Where President Mbia invite me. When I hear the English fine. I'm talking about what I know. And what everybody knows. What I'm talking about, no security. It's gonna be ignorance pro max. They will say we have 15 billion. 15 billion for 7th division. Don't man for come benefit cry your money. Man for bounce benefit our boy on the development. When I never cry. They go share them, they go get someone for mayor, maybe take them, put them for down. Where is the budget they're talking about? Every year they're giving it. Where they give money, them buy their Prado, live their better life, look where, now so that Joe them fat. Now so they swear for their head. When I money, when I go call them for Paul Biya. How can you not explain about your own self? Mais c'est même devenu quoi ça? My Anglophone brother, please, I don't get for insult when I insult them because before you never ever talk when I talk. But if you insult when I because I know the pain when I go through. I know the painful condition when I go through, my people. When I see the way women people suffer, when I see the way women people suffer for road, where one person don't take the money, one single person. Now she don't take the money. And the person they make budget every year to the GIAM. If you do the GIAM, now for when I say Paul Biya bad president. If you do the pay salary, Paul Biya bad president. But Anglophone problem I say, me Paul Biya can't give now Dio, see can she don't for corner Dio make you work. Now the thing that one of the classic Paul Biya bad man. My people, Paul Biya is one of the best presidents for the planet Earth. He own our all. Paul Biya own our all, please. Don't if you give man 1 day here for nothing. Why when I get 30 years, 40 years, they didn't contribute medicine? The person only 1 year, he remain the grace. He need respect. That partner be president for Cameroon. That partner be president for Cameroon. All una know, now a picture the rule. How can we not speak the truth and jump for the nonsense and get a peace for life? Why? Why would I cause problem for ourselves? Why would I cause problem for ourselves? 15 billions. Not be for una contract. This na Anglophone rule they make up. Not be concerned that money. Anglophone building, not be Anglo Cameroon money. I don't make video talk about the money where they get for peace on our road. Not be Cameroon money. This 15 billion no concern road. Now money for our community development. Now when a decentralization that way they go on well. Where the work are fine. But they don't do it. After national conference, they hold decentralization. They give money for every people when they build their own region, build their own community. The money is well paid. Where is the money? My people, I don't make video for you. When I see when a school building for village, they every year government they pay money for maintain schools. They take and put them for their pocket and then go sponsor their private school. Now Paul Biya, Mancho BBC bring that duty. Marginalization. Jamie says, Francophone them bring marginalization for 2024. 2024, Francophone bring a marginalization. But when we don't start for 2016, same government the marginalized Anglophone. Who is the government that marginalized Anglophone? The Anglophone elite. They pay the money they pay for the 10 region. All the National Assembly for Northwest, they pay the very money. But I don't know me from one, I know the one for Northwest. We are the solution for many of our problems. Now 5 billion that way mayor, city mayor see Assam again. Now and they must pay. And they must pay the money 5 billion. You take and so you togo, come to that phone from. Take me Mutuan for don't say the thank the gods. How can a stranger train me for God for man on land when it be fun? When it be Chinda, it be the nine, it be man for compound, it be palace man. It a train me with a wolf for man on land. City mayor na traditional ruler for take one Mutuan for don't for appease the gods. They take una money and oh Baron Blaise, what's up? My people are sick. I don't for us to nowhere. I'm really sick. Or the sitting where my people do go through. Yes. I am sick for teaching my people to go through. I am sick. I am really sick, my people. For sitting when I go through during the day. When I talk only good English, good grammar. When I talk English, talk propaganda language them. When I be capable for take care for my personal selves. Bobby, I don't do it the way name go there for the more in a picture. When I win on election count them, chiro 1, chiro 2, chiro all man see them. They one break when a uncle, when a cousin, when a nephew, when a big brother, you come and say, now lie, now we don't win for daytime. Today, when I the best, the court church do nothing. Church go and do something, say when I don't do it for myself. When I don't do it for myself, where church go can't do them. I don't make video for you, they mock at church, they insult church them. Say they don't can transform community. But how for una say they don't do it for themselves. What if I don't do it for a personal say when man go can't let my people? What but man is wicked for that extent? Why when I wicked for themselves like that? People go there for when I gonna take una money feed their free. When they see them. When they come for party, the government, the French people are using us. The government is stealing. When at them, they take the money. They can't accompany when I cry, they very cry. Comment enter Prado? They can't accompany when I for what I cry, they very cry. Where the money, you have money for your pocket. Incompetent people. When I see a problem, I send for some place, I will make video too. I don't know where, but I'll make video too. I send for some place when I cost power function. But I don't tell when I have a video, I don't feel repeat my video. When I look deep pardon for Anglophone activity for outside, plenty na Southwest pardon. Na Southwest pardon, that way they don't fear for their life. They still maintain that very spirit for Ndele. Say let's separate from Cameroon. But you let graphic picking check for your mind. Why Funcha did not for go for Nigeria? And the very people that they don't want to go back for Nigeria. Let's separate 1961. They don't talk about the money where they get for the million beat the community. No. They must separate me and come back. How you want to return back Cameroon? You want to use your blood for your innocent people and forget document. Men and you not free coming back. Chiroma don't give you free coming back. We don't support it. If Chiroma not take that position, all we go left for upside. True. No be lie. Bamina mind is to follow Star West man with that thinking. How you go be narrations than somebody in the talk you the year for you. You the year waiting for them. Huh? I see Chris Ann with the top fan talk today. He's doing well. Capo Daniel, kudos. You are doing well. I don't beg Anglophone activists. When I rarely beg my country people. When I beg that small picking way the hell of Monday for London. The foul and fight for Njikwa. Where when Njikwa be incapable for talk about one problem. Monday for London talk about. Monday for us, they move document where go impregnate all one for prison. When I really beg, when I see get mouth. Because man for 70 years living abroad, working McDonald's, you want man go and come up for Cameroon, say be barrister, go for man to go wash night. You get for specialize yourself. But when one come for social media, you see attribute yourself like magistrate. You need to talk your president work. You need to say me what they say wash pan for the restaurant, me what be washing night, me what the clean road. You need to talk that one. You need to go maintain your title for barrister. But I don't really do it for God, Seigneur. I do it for God for the city can't sing for my life. For see people don't want to talk their present work. They say they don't graduate. I'm on my second video because I'm very pain. I'm living in pain. For see the intellectual for abroad. Voluntary slavery, suffering people. When I see the way one man country to work, when I see work for mayor, when I see work for lawyer, when I see the one man country to work, when I see when I own. When I see when I own. Probably I need to pay the money. When I need to get the money for una decentralization, you need to come. Which kind of when a man don't can control una contract? Which kind of man don't can control una contract? When they can one control contract, they take the when person come here when they can see the work, when I take it go for government office, give me will give envelope, it can go back. When I see the function for a prime minister, when I see work for a prime minister, a whole prime minister for the country waiting for go for attend football, go for things when they important for country, prime minister. Now see the work for country. Germany don't change prime minister every time. London don't change prime minister every time. France don't change prime minister every time. Why don't we talk about our own country? We don't compare Cameroon and America, Cameroon and London, Cameroon and Germany. But we are sick for our mind. Why? Why are you sick for your brain like that? And a sovereign country that one compare the two sovereign countries? My people, I am very, very upset for see the way people they behave for their time. My people are nowhere. As je suis malade. I therefore also had the sick the torso. But no prayer no day. Now I make video too. The one I video 184. Now I make video 185.